it's Brianna, and today I'm going to be reviewing all the slimes I bought when I was in Nevada, which I am still in here now. So I'm going to be reviewing all the slimes, so yeah. So if you guys like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. My slime shop will be linked down below, and yeah, let's get started. So the first one I got was this wacky putty. It changes from orange to yellow. So I'm gonna move these all out the way and review it first. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. I don't know what color it changes when it's hot, and I don't know what color it changes when it's cold. This is the slime. I think it turns yellow when it's warm. So I poked a little hole. And here it is. It seems very weird to me. And this was $10, and I was guessing it's like that because of the pigment they probably use to make it change colors. It feels warm right now, so I think that's why it's orange. But I'm gonna put this in the freezer and see what color it turns. While that's freezing, I'm going to test out the next slime that I bought, and I can add foam beads to it. Okay, so, oh, the beads spilled a little bit. I'm gonna open this. Well, I can't really judge which side I open first. Ooh. So it's like that. Oh, this is sticky. Kind of, I don't know. So I don't have any activator with me, but I think they probably made it sticky so that the foam beads would stick. I don't know. Or it probably melted because of how hot it is. Oh my god. It feels really thick though. And it's super clear. Now I'm gonna add the beads. These beads are cute. So the slime is getting less sticky as I add in more of the beads, which is really good, and now I understand why it's sticky. Whew. Okay. This is the final result. I'm gonna take it out and see if I can play with it. Not all of it, because it all may not. Yeah, it is definitely sticky, but it's super crunchy. So this is the putty, and I just got it out the freezer, and I'm gonna try to open it. Oh, so it turns orange when it's cold and yellow when it's warm. Because as I was playing with it, I noticed that it was getting yellow, and now that I frozen it, it's completely orange. Can't even play with it. It's hot out here, so I'm just gonna let it sit for a little second. I just stretched it. It's super weird. Oh, it says that it stretches and snaps, it bounces and flows. Bounce, bounce, bounce. it doesn't really bounce. I would expect it to be orange when it's worn because orange is darker than yellow. I know the second thing that I got was this slime glitter foam bead thing. The clear slime and a purple clear slime and 2 different tones of foam beads and then 2 different types of chunky glitters. So here's the purple slime. So as always, I'm going to first poke this slime to see how it is. This looks sticky too. Oh, not really. You never really find clear slimes in stores. Wow, this is our thing. It's kind of sticking to the paper, but that's okay. Wow, it does feel a little tough, but it also feels like slimy. So I bet this is just a clear slime when it's just a little overactivated. It's still so clear. I'm loving this slime. Okay, so for this one, I think I'm going to add in these 2 because these 2 kind of go with the purple one. I'm gonna put that here. That's my mom's arm. Okay. Oh, this looks beautiful. Look at that, Mama. I'm in awe. Oh, this looks beautiful. I don't know. I don't think I want to add any coloring to it because I just ran out of yellow food coloring, and it looks fine on its own. I didn't use all of it because I want to use it for my other slimes that I make and sell. So you should check out my shop. Yeah. This is gonna be thick too. Oh yeah. I forgot to say that the slimes are thick. This one is a little bit difficult to get it all out. And I have this type of glitter at home from when I made the mermaid slime, but it's in the shape of like teardrops instead of hearts. Look, Mama. Now this looks beautiful. Am I right? Wow. So this is the next slime that I bought. Ooh. What goes right here? That isn't in here. Did somebody take glitter out of this? I'm gonna add in this green glitter, and I'm gonna add in all of it because I already have a lot of green glitter this shade at home. I hope that didn't get in my mouth. I hope. I don't know about y'all, but this reminds me of dragons. Oh, just the feeling of adding glitter to slime. So good.
What's my chains for now today? Some of them are tiny. Because they come out along the.
And again, this is another slime with all the slime doesn't come out the container. Wow, this is really cool. Look at that. That's cool. This is another one of those like kind of overactivated clear slimes. Focus. Thank you.
Hold on to beat everybody. Yeah, my friend.
This would be cool if it smelled like green apple and strawberries, but I don't like none of that. I like strawberries, but yeah.
Wait a minute, let me read the comments. People still shocked when I tell them that husband to the LU respect.
So the next slime I got is this really cute one. It's like in a little mason jar. Okay guys, I'm sorry that it won't focus, but my battery's about to die, so I'm just gonna keep going.
I don't know, she was just coming.
We're going across town to get ice cream. That's what they said. I don't know.
Oh, it farted. Oh no, I spilled my drink. That's a good prank right there. Oh no. You see this? Focus. Thank you. These little bumps makes the slime feel infected. Don't let my mom hear that. Yeah, this is definitely more like a putty. This is the puttiest slime I've played with today. This is hotter than California, y'all. California, baby. Ew, mommy, why you fart? Excuse you, why you farting? Oh, mama. Oh my god.
Sound like it. That's funny.
All the slimes I just showed you guys is from this place called Coco in one of the Las Vegas shopping centers. And the last slimes that I'm going to show you is from Michael's, and it's like this 3-pack. Oh. Wow, it's so pretty. If it would just focus. Focus on my slime. And yeah, there's like a divider so that they won't mix. Wow, this is beautiful. It's like that's clear, which you can't really see if you would just focus. And then the other half is like glitter in the color. That's pretty. Ooh yeah, that's swirl. Hear that? Hear that? I don't know if it'll make the fart noises, but I'll try. So you basically have to like poke it and then bring it under here. It's the same thing. Look, that's just clear. And then this other side is glitter. Oh. And this does not feel like a putty. The only putty one was that like mason jar one. I don't really like the color of the pink, but that's not really my decision. I just picked it because I like the colors together because it reminded me of a sunset. See what I'm talking about? Look, this is clear. And then this is glitter. Oh. That is pretty. My favorite is this and the yellow one. It's too low for me to really play with this. I decided that I wanted to mix them because the pink and the orange one kind of mixed already. But I'm also going to add some of these into it. So I'm going to add this to the orange, the yellow to the yellow, pink to the pink. Oh yeah. Can you record this real quick, Mom?
Talking about
Please.
what you need me to do.
Just hold it so I can do both hands. Oh, look at this beautifulness. Wow, that's pretty. That's definitely pretty. It's not as pretty when you stretch it out, but... Okay guys, we got into the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And my most favorite was the purple and clear one when I added in these special beads. Bye!